Hello everyone, I am Shine and you are watching Civil Engineering Tips channel. Today we are going to discuss about isolated footing or spread footing. Isolated footings are type of shallow foundation which are also known as spread footings. These footings are provided under each column or shear wall individually. It is the most simple type of footings. Now let's come to the characteristics of isolated footing. Isolated footing has wider bottom portion. This wider part spreads the weight of the structure over more area for greater stability. Isolated footing can be provided below individual shear wall. It is simple and most economical. Now let's discuss about the types of isolated footing. Isolated footings can have different shapes in plan. Generally it depends upon the shape of cross section of the column. Isolated footings can be sloped or in steps as per design or construction requirements. Now I will show you the different types of isolated footing in pictures. The first one is square footing, stepped footing, sloped footing, square footing with circular column, rectangular footing, wall footing, stepped wall footing. Now let's talk about where and when to use isolated footing. When the columns are not closely spaced, more than 8 to 10 meter, load on footing is less, soil bearing capacity is high. There are some limitations where we cannot use isolated footing. Where footing faces the boundary of land or road, that means where you cannot rest your footing, footings may be designed as combined footings or even eccentric footing which are used as an alternative to isolated footing. Now let's discuss about the reinforcement of isolated footing. Reinforcement detailing is more or less the same in each kind. Isolated footings take load from the column and transfer it to the soil below it. This load can be vertical, lateral, or a moment. In return, soil exerts a reaction force on footings. The reaction will generate stresses in footing which will try to bend the footing upwards. The top part will come under compression and the bottom will be in tension. As concrete is weak in tension, reinforcement will be required to resist the tension and bending forces in footing. Additionally, reinforcement prevents cracking of concrete due to shrinkage and temperature stresses.